One of the most common reasons your AC may not be working properly is due to low refrigerant. Your AC is a closed system, so if it's low in refrigerant, it means you have a leak. When it comes time to recharging your AC system, it makes sense to attempt to seal any possible leaks in the system. That way, any refrigerant in the system will not leak out again. The AC system is made up of metal components such as evaporators, condensers, compressors, accumulators, and receiver dryers. There's also rubber components like O-rings, gaskets, and hoses. Over time, wear and tear on the system can lead to the components leaking refrigerant. In situations where the car's AC loses its charge and starts blowing hot air less than 2 weeks after recharging, the leaks are probably large and parts will likely need to be replaced by a certified technician. However, in cases where the system takes longer than 2 weeks to lose its cooling ability, the leaks can likely be repaired or sealed with an easy do-it-yourself product like AC Pro Super Seal Stop Leak Treatment. AC Pro Super Seal Stop Leak Treatment is designed to repair metal leaks and seal common rubber leaks found in your vehicle's AC system, making it a great option for the do-it-yourselfer who wants an affordable way to repair leaks in their car's AC system. When Super Seal is introduced to the system, the specialized formula gets to work. Metal component leaks are repaired as additives create a plug when they come in contact with the outside atmosphere. Rubber component leaks are sealed as additives swell and rejuvenate the rubber that has been damaged from wear and tear over time. You might think Super Seal must be a thick tar-like substance in order to repair these different types of leaks, but Super Seal is actually just a thin, clear solution. Here's an example of a metal component that's been sealed by Super Seal. You can see how the clear solution filled the hole to repair this small metal component leak. Now let's see how the solution interacts with rubber. Upon interacting with the solution, the rubber component swelled. This expansion of the rubber would seal most common leaks caused by worn rubber components. This rubber O-ring is untreated. This one is treated with Super Seal, expanding the rubber. This expansion can be exactly what your system needs to fill any rubber leaks in the system. The AC Pro Super Seal formula can repair metal component leaks and seal rubber component leaks in our 134A systems. It's also safe for your vehicle when used as directed. Now it couldn't be easier to use Super Seal. Simply turn the car on, set your fan to high, put it on max AC, and make sure recirculation is activated. Go ahead and put on your leather work gloves and your safety goggles. Shake the can well and remove the cap. Then connect it to your low side pressure port. AC Pro Super Seal Stop Leak Treatment comes with a conveniently attached hose and dispenser, so recharging is as easy as can be. Now that we're connected, remove the safety cover and press the yellow button until the entire contents of the can have been emptied into the system. Once you put Super Seal in your system, you should immediately recharge with refrigerant. After you've recharged and given up to 15 minutes to allow Super Seal to circulate through your system, sealing should start to occur. Visit our website at acprocold.com for our full product lineup, and check out our YouTube page for other videos like how to recharge.